It's August 2nd, and we got a project today. 8-foot cedar posts. Any idea what we're doing today? We're getting ready to run a 1/4 mile of fence. So we got a big day ahead of us. Okay, we went and dropped the posts off and trying to get all the tools ready. So this should be everything I can think of that we need right now. Once we get the posts in, those are going to act as our H braces, and between them we're going to have T-posts. The T-posts are out there too. They look like this, but this is just a garden post. This would not support this length of barbed wire and electric. So we got a level to level the H posts and the cross braces, and these are brace pins. So this is what secures the horizontal bar across the two posts, and you'll see that later. So these basically get nailed into those cedar posts. Got a hammer to nail them in. Then we got high tensile wire, so we'll be running this around diagonally to tighten the H braces. Once all those are in, we'll pound our T-posts in with the T-post pounder. We'll tighten our high tensile wire with these ratchets here. And this is the handle for the ratchets. We also have a tape measure to measure the height of the H braces and the distance between the posts. We've got a drill to drill out where the brace pins go in the posts. We've got barbed wire and the staples to run between the H posts and secure them to the T-posts, the metal T-posts. And that bag right back there is full of T-post pins, and this is a toolbox for fencing. So we got fencing, here are T-post clips. And our special fencing pliers. These are great for pulling out staples, getting behind them, and pounding them in. So these have all kinds of uses. You can also get the barbed wire in here and use this to tighten it. So these are great. I thought I could do it without these, but once I started using them, there's no going back. String. String is to tie from where we're going to start to where our next H brace is to get a straight line so we know where to put the T-posts in. And you hope and pray you don't go through a tree or a rock or something like that. I don't have a chainsaw on me today, so we're going to have to get creative, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, here's our approach trail. The gate will be between these two posts, and each post has a supporting post. How's this one going?
Good. Just hard to get dirt out of the grass.
Good. Solid.
Good.
We gotta get some more dirt. We'll dig some more dirt.
So we got about 6 posts in here. We'll head over to the other side of the property.
We're wanting to go after water for about an hour now.
No water for you. Here are our completed H posts. Nice and sturdy. The high tensile wire always goes in the direction the fence is going to go, so it's going to go back there. You can see the string is kind of a marker to help us keep those T-posts straight as we run it through the woods. Nice and sturdy. You can see how that ratchet came in. Tied around there and gave it some cranks. Real nice and tight. That way a lot of the weight of the fence is actually pulling towards the bottom of the post that's in the ground. The most stable part adds a lot of rigidity to the fence line.